On Thursday about 11 o'clock, I got a call from my other sister, which is Tanisha Forrester, telling me about the incident that happened at Festo gas station in Witarn. I saw videos of my sister that she was third degree burned and she's in a critical condition. I am pleading. I tried to get to the gas station owners for help to airfly her out to Atlanta to seek help. I have received no one assistance. I am pleading to the public. I am begging help. I am in need of assistance. I don't want to lose her. Her birthday is on the 26th of February. She's a couple days away from having her 41-year-old birthday. I'm pleading to even the Prime Minister Andrew Holness to help me.
Wow.